beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a phenomenal, fantastic treat like I always say. I am sharing with you this beautifully grilled asparagus. It's really easy to pull together. I've seasoned it with fresh dill, fresh garlic, as well as some salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil. That's all it takes to make a beautiful flavor. And I'm going to be grilling this anywhere from 8 to 10, could be up to 15 minutes depending on the size of the asparagus. So these are pretty small. So I hope you stick around long enough to see how I make these very, very delicious asparagus. Has a beautiful al dente crunch, magnificent flavor. While you stick around, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button. Get the printable recipes on our food blog. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm using two nice bunch of asparagus. These are kind of small and thin. Some are smaller than the others, but that's okay. And I've trimmed off the very hard stems. Okay, what I want to do now is drizzle about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 1.5 tablespoons of fresh dill, garlic, 1 garlic that's been pressed, salt and pepper. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon fresh ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. You could use kosher and you could adjust for your taste bud. Okay, now what I want to do is just mix this all up. How beautiful does this look already? Okay, beautiful people, the asparagus is nicely seasoned with the fresh dill, the fresh garlic, the salt, the black pepper, and the olive oil. So now it's ready for the grill. The grill I have preheaten at 450 to 500 degrees usually work. I like to get it closer to the 500 degrees because the moment you open the grill, the temperature will drop. Okay, so I have my handy dandy grill basket. So now I'm going to get the action onto the grill. Place the grill basket on the direct heat. Add the asparagus. Give it a quick mix. Keep the grill closed as much as possible. Mix a couple of times throughout the cooking. How beautiful does it look already? The asparagus are ready when it's nice and bright green, as well as when it has some chard. How beautiful does that look? Okay, beautiful people, you all know what time it is, right? My favorite time. Tasty. It has a nice al dente crunch. The dill tastes beautifully on it. The garlic doesn't overwhelm it at all. It's just perfect. So I do hope you'll take the time to make this delicious vegetable asparagus recipe. Until next time, happy cooking!